Alright, today at Mullin Machinery we have a sharp Takisawa 14 by about 32-inch lathe. Made by Takisawa, but Sharp put their name on it. Inch metric machine. Has about an 8-inch 3-jaw chuck on it. It looks like an Aloris BX tool post. It's piston type, but it works fine. It's got a steady rest with bronze jaws. It's a chuck and a tailstock. That looks like a 5/8 capacity. It's a travel dial. The plastic's a little dark. I wonder if that's metric. It looks like it might be in metric though. These machines use a good number of change gears if you're doing different thread ranges, but we got a whole pile of them there. Got some tool blocks, chuck key, live center. Machine also comes with a 4-jaw chuck with the key that's sitting off on the side at the moment. Machine came out of a machine shop that closed up due to the death of the owner. They used it regularly. It's a decent maintenance shop machine. Takes a little getting used to the handle for the carriage. This handle, the way this engages, you have to keep it straight and it will snap in. To disengage, you just push the knob down. If you pick it, just pick it and let it swivel, it doesn't stay in gear. You gotta pick them straight up and they snap in. Currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase. See, right now we have it on 1,000 RPM. Fast speed on it there. The foot brake works. The foot switch and brake. Cross feed works. Feeding out. Longitudinal feed. Let's see, feed the opposite direction is, that's low speed, this would be, I believe this is the opposite. Yep, feeds the opposite way. Here's your in feed. This would be, I believe, 680 RPM. No, I think it's going to be lower than that. That's 155. Yeah, it's 155. That's right. It's a 2-speed motor. So this would be, that would be 100. That would be 690. 2-speed motor, 2-speed headstock. So machine's in decent shape. I mean, there's a little bit of backlash in the screws, but for given a year and the work that's on it, the ways are good. Well, they're light wear on the ways, but nothing terrible. No deep grooves or ridges. You can just feel ever so slight roughness. But the machine's nice and quiet. Let's just go. This would be 1,200 RPM. then 55. That's the slow speed for this machine. So check this lathe out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.